Welcome this video title Smart Kitchen Dining Table Idea of Choosy and Functional Style. Introducing in today fast place world, much of us find ourselves living in smart house or apartment when space it a premium. This can be particularly challenged when it comes to create a dining area in a smart kitchen. How every with the right idea and a touch of create, you can transforming your limited space into a choosy and functional dining nook. We will explore some inspiring smart kitchen dining table that will help you make the most of your space. Nesting table. Nesting table are versatile solution from smart kitchen than physical connected to off to a more table than can be stacked to get when not in use. You can easily pull theme around and airing theme as need of dining more use theme of different propose this fix make need table and fastest choose of type space. Conclusion and our kitchen do not mean to have a signification. They go to dining with friend and family. With that kitchen